Hey everyone. So today is day 6 of this SQL 50 days challenge. Oh. Yeah, so today the question is replace employee ID with the unique identifier. So we have the table employees, we have column name, ID and name. Then we have the other table employee uni, we have ID and unique ID. So we have two tables, and from the description this is like there's a join, this join aspect, so we're joining these tables. All right, it says write a solution to show the unique ID of each user. If a user does not have a unique ID, replace just show null. Return the result in any other, so we can have descending or ascending. And the result format, okay, is in the following. So this is an example. We have Alice has the ID of 1, Bob 7, Mary 11, Winston 10, Jonathan 3. And for the employee uni table, we have the IDs. We have that's Alice. Okay, Jonathan has a unique ID of 1, Mary has 11, that's a unique ID of 2, Winston 90, and the unique ID of 3. Right, so as you can see, only these three have the unique IDs on this table. So we're returning null for the rest that do not have. Alright, so basically we'll be doing a left join because we want to select all from the right table and return null where we don't have matching records with the right table. So this is going to be our left table and this is going to be our right table. Okay, so select all, because we selected from two tables. I'm going to select the first one, employee. I'll just set the Alice to e dot id, and then we're selecting the unique ID, so I'm going to do EU because that is our return. Selecting unique ID and name, so unique ID, so unique underscore ID, and then e dot name. So I'll be shortening this so that we don't have to be spelling out employees and employee uni. Alright, from employees, then we're going to do a left join to this employee uni. So we'll not forget to put the abbreviation here. And then left join to employee unique, set that to EU. So we're going to do where on e.id is equals to EU.id. Okay, so as basically, so we get everything. So we're going to get everything from our left table, that's employees, regardless of whether they have a matching record or not. So those that don't have a matching record, we set them to null. Okay, so let's run this and see what we have. Okay, so finished in 230 milliseconds. Right, let's submit. Alright, so that's it for today. Bye.